Hello everyone, welcome to Izanami Art. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple greetings card. These small, cute cards are a perfect present for any occasion. They are really easy to do. I will guide you step by step through the whole process so you don't have to worry about anything. Let's start. First thing to do is to prepare the small pictures. It can be whatever you like, flowers, animals or landscapes. I chose to paint some flowers and kokeshito. I paint them on watercolor paper which size is around 9.5 by 7.5 centimeters. Only the card with rose flowers have different sides. It is a bit bigger because I sheared the edges off instead of cutting them. Now I'm painting one of my pictures. This is really simple painting. Anyone can do this. If you want to paint something else or have different idea, you can skip that part of the video and check the next step. When all my pictures are finished, I can choose colors for my greetings card. I bought this color paper in my local shop, but I would recommend you to buy something better. I really like these colors, but the paper is quite thin. I'm taking my pictures and one by one I'm checking which color I liked most for my cards. I chose red color for my kokeshito, yellow for flowers with the bee, violet for blue flowers and the dark green for the yellow one. For rose flowers I choose dark blue. All you can see now is all you need to create cute little greetings cards. I have my pictures, I also have white sheets of heavy paper, same size as my paintings, and my color paper sheets size around 18 and 11 centimeters. I also have paper ribbon with many colors. And of course, we need some glue and scissors. Let's start with yellow greetings card. I fold the paper in half. I put my picture in the middle of the yellow sheet where I'm going to glue it. But first, I check which color of ribbon suits my card best. I chose just two colors, green and light yellow. I tie a bow in the bottom of my picture. And cut two long strings. Now I have to glue my picture and yellow sheet together. I put glue on the corners and in the middle of the back side of the picture. Then just press it firmly for a few seconds. First greeting card is almost done. Last step is to glue white sheet into our greetings card. Now you can see final results. I thought that adding a sticker inside may be a good idea. It is time for red one with kokeshi. I repeat the whole process. I tie a bow in the bottom of my picture. And glue it to the red card. Then again I glue white heavy card inside. At the end, you can add some stickers. Now I'm going to repeat exactly the same steps to create green greetings card with yellow flower. During the process, I decided to tie the bow on the other side of the picture. But you can stay with the first version. What do you think? Would you send such a greetings card to your loved ones? There is nothing more to say. I just repeat the process again. By the way, if you reach this moment of my video, I would like to ask you to leave a comment or like. This is really important for me to grow my channel and give me strength to make more videos. Tell me if you'd like me to make more. I have now 4 greetings cards. Let's move to the last one. I simply repeat the process again. When it comes to the ribbon, I tie it a little bit different to my previous one. As you can see, my picture has irregular sides. It gives me opportunity to put the ribbon in a more interesting way. In my opinion, it looks really nice this way. So that's it. This is how my final greetings card looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.